Namaste, Tashik Dilek, and hello to all my Indian brothers and all my friends out there in different parts of the world. Today I'm making this small video for the person who is defaming our spiritual leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the Sameera Khan. Yes, Sameera Khan. And she claims that she is Miss New Jersey 2015. And I'm really sorry, Miss Sameera Khan, whoever you are. I couldn't find the name on the new Miss New Jersey 2015 list. Okay, leave it. Friends, मेरे साथियों, Miss Sameera Khan, she is defaming and misleading, giving. She has posted on Twitter, on her Twitter account, that His Holiness is using human skin, on religious rituals, and that is where she is getting wrong. So I'm requesting all the people of the world, especially those who follow our spiritual leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, I request to all of you to educate this women, the Pakistani American women, to correct her mistake. I request all my brothers, Tibetan brothers and sisters, Indian brothers and sisters, who believe His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. You know His Holiness, who always talk about, who spread love and compassion, ahimsa. And she gets wrong here by defaming our leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Moreover, she's deliberately posting CCP propaganda on His Holiness and Tibet using free social media platform. Free social media platform. She is deliberately doing this CCP propaganda, spreading CCP propaganda. She's doing deliberately. And here, she is a Chinese paid journalist. Otherwise, who does these things? Nobody. Nobody likes CCP. Nobody likes communist, Chinese Communist Party, CCP. She does this because she is paid, Chinese paid journalist, living in America. So I want you all to correct her. I want you all to tweet her, to message her that she is wrong. She must say sorry to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Tao make the coping the bura consa kyam kun chombo chokla ani ari denge Pakistan ki kimechi ki Sameera Khan lange chira ani kyam gur mbejela mingji sudura khala ore shamu na pu yoguda odiro khala olana ini kyam gur mbechi gi nganji ki khala o shabden da chue chigiro da nganji ki komba khala dendela ani migi pakpa peji tango reilani ta tugri nyingje sangma thita ra anjugi kimedi tugri nyingje thiyorda so ngegi khari lawolna ani kyapkyo naro na standa thujidela ra tindi chingi mangboyorda ra michigni marta modona tanda thega ani nganjugi khalore Twitter account ra moragi Instagram account yore ani 딘데로 나라 뭐기 딘데 쉐어다 빠든도 루요레 아니 빠든도 이 강라 단다 루 데나 요리니 땡오라 소 딘데 강라 아니 단다 만주기 갈라고래 yeshi khando la yore ro ani ngonsuki Tenzin Phuntsok la YouTuber re abu kama la yore tene shi chige khana shungi ki tene mina mangbochi ni nando khonsu kebe shugyori ra ansuki signature ga sign ga ro petition tene yore so dinjula japyo naro na pebaso thanda sha langorta thanda malangna ani khapo chagre juma mangba. The recipient of US Congressional Gold Medal, the recipient of Nobel Peace Prize, and many more. His Holiness has received many awards, many medals, gold medals, congressional gold medals, etc. Now, person like him, our spiritual leader, is defamed by the Pakistani American journalist Sameera Khan. So, I want all my friends, all of you, to kindly correct this woman. Please go to her Twitter account and report it. Please go to her Instagram account and report it. I'm requesting all of my friends, all of you, to please report her. This is the time we have to rise. This is time we have to correct the wrong. She has tweeted on her Twitter account that Tibetan leader, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, is world's most loved ex-slave owner and condemned US Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez AOC for her admiration of the Tibetan leader. She is saying that His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama uses human skin for religious ritual on special occasions. That is a false accusation or false information, wrong information. She needs to educate. She must say sorry to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Isn't it? So I'm requesting again, all my fellow friends, please go and tweet her, retweet her, educate her. All my Muslim friends, she is a Muslim spreading hatred. In Quran there is nothing like that. In Quran doesn't say spread hatred. So please, all my friends living out there, please educate her. Please tell her to say sorry to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is only the person, is only the leader of Tibet who lead us peacefully, who educate us peacefully, who educate us to spread love and compassion, who only talks about love and compassion. Now this woman is telling her that he is the ex-slave owner. Now that is where she gets wrong. So she must say sorry to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.